Today in this video I am going to show you the two indicators which works from 1 minute to 5 minute, and you can also use for scalping from 1 minute to 5 minute, and if you are a day trader you can use these indicators from 15 minute to 4 hour chart, and they have high class accurate results and they will never disappoint you. If you look at this indicator, the first indicator is called the bank selling order and the bank buying order, and you can see the market has received the rejection on gold today, and you can see the price is down. Okay, and moreover there are sporting lines that are the dotted red line, so they works as a rejection point for the market if they comes with the bank selling order. However, if the market is able to break these red dotted lines, then it's a buy signal for us. Okay, and in other sense, if we just look, there is a dotted green line. So when the markets break below the dotted green line, so this is the selling opportunity. This is not the buying opportunity. So that is why these indicators are quite powerful, because they will differentiate you from the different traders. So for example, look at this example. Okay, so here we have the bank buying order, we have the dotted green line, and what happened from the dotted green line plus bank order, you can see the price simply went up and it targeted the bank selling order. Okay, and also in the middle you can see we have a candle closing above the dotted red line. So as I have mentioned, this is the buy signal for the market, and you can see the price simply went into the upward direction. Okay, so let's have a look on the other pairs. So for example, look, this is the live market, this is not a still market. So you can see on Euro USD, a 3 minute time frame, the market is pumping up from the bank buying order. So this was a straightforward buy signal, and that was the straightforward sell signal. The price is dropped from the bank selling order. Okay, so this indicator is doing wonders for my community because they were able to catch very good profits. Just look at this example from the bank buying order. The price simply moved into the upward direction. Let me show you more examples, and you will be simply surprised if you just look at this point. Then what happened on AUD CHF? The price is moving up from the bank buying order, and plus we have the dotted green line. So it means that this indicator is very powerful. So how you can add this indicator on your trading view? That's very simple. I have given the Telegram link in the description of this video below. You can contact on Telegram and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator. Plus you can also send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. Now let's talk about the second indicator, that is called Swing Trading Guru. So I'm going to the start of my watch list, and let's see how this is performing. You can see on the 3 minute chart, gold today, we have a buy signal bullish. You can see price moved up. Right now the bearish is working, and you can see already it has given us the profit, but right now it's working. So this indicator is for the swing trading. Okay, this is not just for scalping. If you love swing trading, then this indicator is for you. So for example, bullish signal, price moved up, bearish, price is down. So right now the bullish signal is working, so you need to hold that trade. Okay, now look at the next example. On USD CHF today, we have received a bullish signal. The price simply went up. Let's go to USD CAD. We have received a bullish signal. The price moved up. Let's go to Euro AUD. The bullish signal is working. If we go back, there must be some bearish signal, I think. So you can see here we have the bearish signal, and the previous signal was bullish, and this was the bearish signal. It was just for scalping, but later on the price moved up, and this indicator has changed its signals. Okay, I'm not saying that all the signals by this indicator will be true. No, definitely, but there will be maximum times they will not disappoint you. You can see a bearish signal, the price is down, the bullish is running at the moment. Let's have a more example. Bullish, you can see price is down, bearish, the price is down, and this indicator never repaints. I again repeat, this indicator never repaints. Okay, so bearish, you can see price is down, bullish, the price is going up. Okay, so I have shown you my maximum watch list like bullish and bearish, and you can see. And let's have a look on Bank Nifty today. Okay, so if we go to the Bank Nifty chart, so what's going on here? Okay, the swing trade must be already running, and you can see we have a bullish signal, and you can see how much the price has went up, and previously the last signal was bearish. Okay, so let's have a look on US 30. Okay, US 30, you can see we have seen a bearish signal today. The price is down. Let's have a look on US 100. The bearish is on the way, and the previous signal must be bullish somewhere. You can see here we have the bullish signal on US 30. So this is the indicator that provides you swing rides, and you can see bullish successful, bearish unsuccessful, but bullish it's way successful. So for example, if you have lost something on one signal, then you can cover up from the next signal. Okay, so let's have a look on Bitcoin. Bearish worked, bullish didn't work, and this bearish worked. So overall, indicator is showing us a perfection. So same thing about this indicator, you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. I have given the link in the description of this video below. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel and share this video.